Today I have a confession to make because it has affected me and it scared me like crazy. See, I talk about exfoliation because seeing how it helps my skin, I got so excited that I would exfoliate 4 to 5 times a week. And I would do that in the morning and in the afternoon. So that's 10 times, which is really, really bad. I know some of you will kill me. The dermatologists are going to kill me. But I didn't feel the effect of exfoliating that often until my face was burning. The realization happened when I woke up one day and I go like, why is my face burning? And that scared me. Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Jackie D. My goal is to help build your self-esteem, to help you find your better version through self-care, through fashion or dressing up, through makeup even. I'm 62 years old and I'm just finding my better version every day. And I want you to feel as happy and as enthusiastic as I am. So that's why here I am. Here's my channel. So I have 2 exfoliating creams. I love them and they're very good. It's not that they're not good. They're very good. It's because I was very stubborn. I tell you, if you don't exfoliate more than you should, they are perfect. I have my Dew of the Gods, which I love. You'll see in the photo. I love this one. You know, the moment I put it on, there was a little bit of a tingling sensation, but then it went away. Just like the feedback you'll probably read. And it smells so good. And you will notice how your skin tightens when you're using this one. I fell so in love with it. I love the smooth, clean feeling of my skin that I applied this 3 to 4 times a week. It smells like fruit. It's clay. And I had to use it often because, you know, these things, this clay, this can harden. I have to use this right away. So that was actually my purpose why I had to use this very often. But see, I already was also using my favorite, Angels on Bare Skin, which is also amazing. It's by Lush. I would say this is rougher than this. This is clay. So it doesn't have any grains, but this one has. Oh my gosh, this is just so good. It has the lavender husk. I would use this twice a day, in the morning and in the evening, as part of my normal cleansing routine. So yeah, I damaged my skin. Yes, tell me now in the comments. I will take the comments because yeah, I was just so excited and I thought that, you see, I'm having a honeymoon with my skin because I'm a late bloomer. I've never really learned about proper skincare until, I'd say, September. I learned about sunblock and its benefits only last July. I grew up in the Philippines, so we don't really use sunblock. We don't use moisturizers because it's humid. We don't use anything at all, just soap. And our soap is harsh and it can dry up your skin, but because it's so humid, I didn't have any problems. And my skin was never acne prone. My primitive skincare process was rinsing with warm water and then soaping it with whatever soap I have and then rinsing again with cold water. And then once a month or twice a month, I would run ice on my face to tighten the skin, the pores. I once said close and open the pores. Apparently they don't close and open, but that's how we used the words before. So they tighten and they loosen. I guess this is a better term. So yes, I exfoliated more than I should. And so my face, I was so scared. It wasn't red, but I could hardly touch my skin. So if you know what was wrong, please tell me because I'm so scared because I want to know and then I can share again my story. I wash twice a day. Whether I take a full shower from head to toe or not, my face, I will always wash twice a day, in the morning and before I sleep. So I would wash it, and even as I washed with water alone, I felt like I had an open wound. I felt that I was skinned by the predator. Even then, I would still put soap because for me, I have to put soap or my Avene facial wash. And then I would rinse. That even while rinsing, my skin was crying. and I was crying inside. And so I had to think, what's causing it? I thought it was the new retinol that I bought, because I bought this retinol. I apply this every night, but I don't think this would cause, because when I read about this, there are no side effects. And so I stopped. Altogether, I stopped using this. And then I observed. On the third day, I had no more painful, burning, tingling sensation. I kept my skin free of these two products. After about another 4 or 5 days of resting, I started this again. But this time, I don't do this every day. I promised myself I'm going to use this twice a month at the most. And when I used this, I didn't have the tingling sensation. So after another 3 days, I used this. And the following day, I had that same burning situations, because this has grains and husk. I think this one we have to use very sparingly. I mean, it's very good. It's a very good cleanser, and it's very natural. But I'm not going to use this as often as I did before. I still love them. These are my favorite cleansing products. I still love them, but I'm not going to use them like I brush my teeth very often. So that's a warning, girls. And yes, I have to admit I did it wrong. I exfoliated too much. So now my skin is better. I have no pain. The last time I used this was, I think, 3 days ago. This one, I think, 1 week ago. So yeah, and I hope that this lesson will serve as a lesson for all of you who are trying to exfoliate as often as you can. I know we are in a rush, you know, we want our skin to be good, but we got to do it right. And as I always tell myself, and I have to practice what I preach, we have to be patient with ourselves. I hope you're liking my episode so far. And if you like it, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and share. Tell me your story. Did you go through the same problem? Was it the exfoliating cream? Was it something else? Let's share and let's learn together. And if you haven't followed me yet, come subscribe to my channel, and then that way I can share with you more good things that I discover. I just want to inspire you. Hopefully I am inspiring you. I have my other platforms. Don't forget Instagram at The Real D, TikTok at The Real D, and my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media, because together we gotta lift each other up. Thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate you. You take care of yourself, appreciate yourself, and eventually you love yourself more than anything. Bye for now.